The number one reason why Evaluwise will save you time, significant time on your teacher evaluations this next school year, is because you can create your summative evaluations in a much simpler and easier fashion. First off, you can use any current rubric you have along with the forms that go along with that rubric simply by going into the forms area, creating custom forms and attaching them to the appropriate section of the software. Furthermore, all of the observation data is in the same place. So you have access to everything all in one location. You don't have a number of paper documents here and there trying to assemble things using copy and paste with various software. And the teachers are also able to go into the software and fill out forms in this teacher observation dashboard area, as well as upload documents, all streamlining your process and saving significant time. When doing an observation, you can easily type in notes in the scripting area, and as you see, you will get a time and date stamp on each. And then later you can go back and quickly pair those statements up with the rubric in whatever manner you'd like. This will save you the time that you normally would be spending assembling documents, rewriting notes, etc. And all of this will go immediately into an observation summary, which will contain not only your notes but also your documents that you've paired up with your rubric. So quickly and easily you will take your notes, form information, as well as documents and put them into one summary that later you'll be able to pull into a summative evaluation. Once in the summative evaluation, you're able to select walkthroughs or informal observations as well as formal observations that you would like to include in the summative simply by checking them off this list. That will take all the data from your observation summaries, which includes forms as well as your scripting notes and documents, and pulls them into a professional practice summary, which is essentially a larger observation summary with all the documentation from the different observations. As you see, they will be broken out by observation date, notes, as well as documents and comments that you may have placed on those observation summaries. Then you will simply do a rating based on your custom rubric that's set up in the software with the wording as well as the tabs all labeled appropriately. And once that's done, then you will easily be able to go and create your summative ratings and final reports. These final reports will generate ratings based on rules that you can upload within the software when you set up the rubric. In this case, you can customize things to show averages. You can weight your domains or components by different percentages. You also get your rating counts broken out in different manner, and then you will get your rating recommendation, which you could also override if you need to. This all can be done in a very streamlined process, from taking your notes, uploading evidence from both a teacher's and observer's perspective, pulling that together into a summative, and then creating these results. Additionally, you'll notice that student growth is included here as well. So if you're using student growth and you want to include various assessments in your final ratings, you can do so, and in the next video I'll show you more details on how that will save you a tremendous amount of time incorporating student growth into your teacher evaluation process.